This is an introduction to opcsystems.net. With opcsystems.net, you can create SCADA and HMI solutions using Microsoft Visual Studio and Expression Blend with no programming required. You can easily create standard WinForm applications, web applications, WPF applications. Here we see that we have scalable graphics that you can implement in a WPF application. We have real-time trending and historical trending. With the trend control, it's very user-friendly and interactive. We have real-time and historical alarming. We can manage and sort alarms of any group or type that we would like. We also can create dashboard applications that are also scalable. opcsystems.net is deployed as a service-oriented architecture. What this means is it's easy to deploy, easy to install, and extremely reliable. It runs as a Windows service, and out of that we can feed data to Visual Studio applications, databases, Microsoft Excel, operator interface applications, even create web applications for your smartphone. There is no limit to the number of clients that you can connect to a licensed service. And all of the components are 100% managed, which support smart client deployment, which means they're extremely easy to develop. You have a very good, rich experience for the user interface, and they're also easy to deploy and easy to keep up to date. They have the best of both a thick client and a thin client, all wrapped into one. The communications coming from the Windows service is implemented on a TCP/IP connection over a standard port. This way you can use the internet or your local area network connection to do the communications to the remote data logging, trending, HMI clients. They all work over a standard TCP/IP port. So we eliminate the need for DCOM. And as a data source, we can have data coming from OPC servers, OPC clients, databases like SQL Server, Oracle, Access, and MySQL, data directly from Microsoft Excel. Here's an example of a Microsoft workbook consuming data, but we can also use it as a data source as well. And the most powerful connection is the ability to connect data directly from a Microsoft Visual Studio application. We have a very simple data component to use on subscription-based or synchronous read and write functions, where you can access data directly from your own .NET application and turn it into real-time data for your SCADA application. This is also a powerful solution in tying business applications real-time directly with your Plant 4 systems that are connected with OPC servers. opcsystems.net is sold as a full suite of all 15 product features, or you can buy each individual product feature alone. With the purchase of any individual product feature, it comes with free connectivity to OPC servers along with the calculation and real-time data service. opcwpf.net is for creating HMI applications for WPF applications. opccontrols.net is for WinForm applications. It also includes a data component for creating Windows services. It can also be used in web applications as a data source as well. opctrend.net, real-time and historical trending for WinForm and WPF applications. opcalarm.net, real-time alarm notification via email, alarm logging to SQL Server, Oracle, and Access, and alarm statistics real-time to keep track of how many alarms have occurred over a particular time frame or how many alarms are currently active. We have gauges for both WinForm and WPF applications. We have the set of web controls for HMI, trending, and alarming. These are great applications for smartphones and also non-Windows operating systems like the iPad. opcdatabase.net is a robust data logging engine to log data to SQL Server, Oracle, Access, MySQL, and CSV files. opcreport.net is to automatically generate reports and then optionally email them to production supervisors. opcrecipe.net gives you the ability to transfer data from databases back into the real-time service and on down to OPC items. opcclient.net opens the door to connect to third-party OPC clients, even across the internet. opcmobile.net is for Pocket PC applications for HMI solutions. opcroute.net is a service to automatically transfer data from one OPC server to another, again, even across the internet. And opcexcel.net opens the door to connect data directly from the service to Excel and then also make Excel a data source for the service as well. And again, this can even be working across the internet. From the website at opcsystems.com, you can visit our online demos page to view any of the online smart client solutions. Under our training page, you can follow along step by step on how to implement our software. And from the downloads page is where you can download the product opcsystems.net. This is the full suite that contains all 15 individual product features. If you'd like a personal demonstration of opcsystems.net product features, select the Contact Us page. There you'll find our contact information along with a link to request a free product demonstration. With opcsystems.net, you'll be able to break free from those proprietary solutions that often hold your data hostage to a more open platform where you'll be able to access real-time data, historical data in an open database format, and all configurations in a free programmatic interface. We invite you to try opcsystems.net and see how easy it is and quick it is to put a solution together.